It is day 10 of the federal civil rights trial for 3 ex-Memphis cops accused of killing Tyre Nichols.
Today featured the testimony of the chief medical examiner who performed the autopsy on Tyre Nichols' body 4 days after his beating and arrest.
Our Stephen Pippo is live outside federal court this evening. Stephen, tell us what the medical examiner had to say. Anything we didn't already know?
Richard Pepper. Today, Chief Medical Examiner Dr. Marco Ross told the court Tyre Nichols died from blunt force hits to the head, leading to severe brain injuries that caused cardiac arrest and eventually organ failure. He says even if Nichols had survived, he likely would have suffered permanent brain damage and needed constant care the rest of his life. Chief Medical Examiner Dr. Marco Ross testified in federal court today that Tyre Nichols' body was covered in scrapes and bruises when it was brought in for an autopsy. Dr. Ross says his examination revealed Nichols had internal bleeding on both sides of his head, neck, chest, and in both arms. Dr. Ross said the brain exam showed Nichols' brain was swollen and bruised, with serious tearing in the left, right, and central parts of the brain, caused by rapid head turning and hits to the head.
I hit that man with so many pieces.
The medical examiner says those injuries were the result of Nichols' brain turning inside of his skull. During cross-examination, defense attorney Stephen Loeffler asked if the injuries to Nichols' right arm would have contributed to his death, and Dr. Ross says the intense tissue damage all over the body could have been a contributing factor to kidney failure. During cross-examination by defense attorney Martin Zumak, he asked Dr. Ross if there was anything the EMTs could have done after Nichols suffered his brain injuries. Dr. Ross said that if the cardiac arrest was recognized right away, it could have changed the outcome. Now, Dr. Ross also told the court that if Nichols had gotten oxygen at the scene, it could have helped prevent him going into cardiac arrest. However, he added that just stopping the cardiac arrest would not have necessarily prevented the organ failure.